Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I am Abdul Nasif Muhammad Mama and I'm 20 years old and I will be representing the province of Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. On the issue, SK abolish or reform, my stand is in favor of its reform, not because I belong to youth sector, but because I believe that it is the best solution instead of abolishing it. The decision of the Congress to postpone the Sangguniang Kabataan election last October 2013 was an abrupt and ambiguous one. I believe it is not so clear to the minds of many Filipinos the reasons behind its postponement. And with that, I am saying this because, as what we can see in the status quo right now, after its postponement, government has no alternatives, or shall I say initiatives, on answering the question of the sustainability of the Sangguniang Kabataan. Meaning to say, what will happen to the many uh, programs, projects to be implemented, supposed by the Sangguniang Kabataan? I am talking about the youth empowerment in the community. This is one of the main reasons why we should call for reform instead of its abolishment, because we feel like the government is on the track to abolish Sangguniang Kabataan. We won't let that happen. Reform, I believe, is the best solution. Reform plus enhancement plus more empowerment plus more attention from the government to the youth sectors, to the Sangguniang Kabataan, specifically to the youth in the community. We call for Sangguniang Kabataan reform. This is my stand. Let's work hand in hand. Wassalam.